Here's how to replace the wiper blades on an Audi. In this case, the guy who owns it drove it through the car wash, and the car wash ripped his wipers off because he had his wipers turned on. So normally you would push a button on the top and it releases that little mechanism and it slides right out. Now the new wiper comes with a whole bunch of different attachments. So you just want to find one that matches the size of the original, which in this case is this one. And then it's got the most likely one you're going to use on it. So you just pop the one that most people are going to use off. You put the Audi one on like this. It just pressure fits onto those little holes and snaps. That's why it was so easy for it to get ripped off in the car wash in the first place. So on this particular Audi, if you were to try to lift up the wiper arm with the hood closed, it would scratch up your hood. So we opened the hood, and that gives you clearance to lift up the wiper arm like that. And then the plastic thingy has a couple of grooves in it. So you want to drop the wiper arm onto it and then push it down towards the earth. So slide it up through those grooves and then push it back until the little button pops up into the hole and goes click. And there you go. You have new wiper blades. Until next time. And I guess if you want to remove them, either go through the car wash or just push that button to remove them. Here's some bonus content. That's how you fill up with wiper washer fluid. And it takes almost a full gallon, not quite, but almost when it's empty, and we're done. Ooh.